I have with me the TinyChange 2025 Pro Planning Box. Let's open it and see what all are inside. So once you open up, you will first see the wall planner, which can help you get a bird's eye view of the entire year. You'll also see a couple of planning booklets inside. You have a pocket planner, which you can carry around and make plans for the week. This is for an entire year. You also have a pocket meal planner. This will help you plan your meals for the week and to stay healthy. And then let's get to the Pro Planner. So this is the 2025 TinyChange Pro Planner. It's minimal design and it has a gorgeous dark blue vegan leather cover. Here's what it looks. You have a pen loop here. You have an enclosure which you can put like this. This is B5 size, which is around 60% bigger than the A5 size. So let's go inside the planner and see the details. Okay, keep that aside. 2025 Life Planner. Here is a initial introduction, how to plan your life, some content on that. Then you get into the first part of the planner, which is called as a life commerce. So this will have different exercises to help you understand yourself better. Hey, there are multiple exercises like your true self, achievements, your goals, your core values, the rules I always live by. And you take a self-assessment as to how your year, which is 2024, was, and what learnings can you take which can be useful for 2025. So that is section 1. And then you get into section 2, which is called Goals Roadmap. This is where you first learn about goal setting, and then you identify the top 3 goals for 2025. And then once you identify, the planner helps you plan how to achieve the top 3 goals. So goal 1, you create a complete roadmap for that. Goal 2 roadmap, and then goal 3 roadmap. Then it's not enough to achieve your goals, but also to live mindfully. So this planner also helps you design your ideal life across 4 different segments: healthier me, wealthier me, happier me, and wiser me. So you design your life in the right way. Here's your vision board for the year. Then you have the entire calendar for the year marked out. Your ideal week design. This is how your ideal week must be, a template. And then similarly, your ideal day design. And then you have a section where it is explained how the monthly planning and the weekly planning pages work. Here is the detailed explanation of how the daily page looks like, where you note down all your appointment for the day and have you time block the entire week hour by hour. Then you get in the next section, which is called as your planning pages. So this is where your core planning pages start. Every month starts with a month calendar. The top 3 items that you want to achieve this month. What all activities will you do towards health, wealth, happiness, and wisdom? Your key tasks for the month. This can be divided into 4 different segments. Maybe like personal task, business task, family-related things. Whichever area you want, it's up to you. You can pick up 4 areas. Or you can even decide to do tasks across these 4 areas. That's up to you. Once you do that, then you get into the weekly planning pages, which has areas designated for each day. So each day, the time runs from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. This is for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This is how every week looks like. You will start with a tiny reminder for the week, which is different for each week. The focus areas for this week, which is the top 10 items that you want to get done this week, a quote, and then you plan the day. For each day, you can write down the top 3 items that you want to achieve the day, and then time block. 11 a.m. to 12, you have a meeting. 6 to 7 p.m. is your time with the family. So you can note down and time block the entire week. Now, you also have something called as a tiny week challenge, which is different for each week. There are 52 of them. These are exciting things that you can do, which over a period of time, if you complete, you will become healthier, wealthier, happier, and wiser. All the activities are divided into those 4 areas. So once you do the activity, what you feel like, you can write it down here, you can journal, or you can even use this white space to make your other notes to the course of the week. You also have a habit tracker to help you track the habits and then get better at those habits. At the end of the week, you complete a little bit of journaling and a reflection exercise. One is your top achievements this week, what are you grateful for this week, and your top learnings from this week. So this repeats for all the different weeks in a month. And once your month is over, you also have a monthly reflection section. Your wins, enablers, misses, learnings, and a quick self-evaluation on those 4 different areas that we spoke about. And then what are your learnings that you would like to take to next month. So this is how the entire planner is structured. This framework repeats itself for 12 months. And then at the end of 12 months, you have what's called as a life dashboard. Now, this is a section that you will use throughout the week. So it's very important you understand this is section 4 out of 5. Life dashboard is what helps you to stay in touch with 4 important areas of your life. How was your sleep? How much water intake you had each day? How was your productivity? And how was your mood? So sleep and water are input variables. You can note it down, how much sleep you got out of 10, and water, how much glasses of water you had. The details are given here. It will explain how you must track it. Once you do those input variables, at the end of the day, you note down how much productive were you on a scale of 1 to 5 and how was your mood on a scale of 1 to 5. So over a period of time, you will see some pattern emerging. Maybe you will understand that whenever you sleep well, your productivity is increased, or whenever you hydrated yourself better, your mood is better. So these patterns will emerge over a period of time. So this is for the entire month of January, February, March, April. The rest of the 4 months here and the last 4 months will come here. So to remind you to complete this every day, even if you take any particular day, you have something called as dashboard updated. So once this will remind you every day that you need to go to that section and complete your dashboard. So since you have 2 bookmark ribbons here, one bookmark ribbon can be for the day, and other bookmark ribbon can be used in this section 4 to remind you to complete your day effectiveness every single day. So that's about day effectiveness dashboard. You also have finance dashboard, which will help you plan initially budget for the month at the beginning of each month. And then throughout the course of the month, you can write down the actual. So at the end of the month, you will know how you performed. You also have a subscriptions dashboard. We all spend a lot on subscriptions. You will be able to understand what you're using, what you're not using, so that you'll be able to cut down on the ones that you will not need. And then the final section is called the life kit lists. These are different lists like wish list and checklist that you can use. There are very interesting ones like 100-day projects that you can do this year, skills I want to acquire, books I want to read. There are different things you can note down. At any point in time, an idea strikes and you come down and note it out here. You also have 4 pages of stickers. These are some small mini poster stickers, some icon stickers, gold foiled stickers here, and you also have some more stickers here. These are to make your planning process overall a little bit more lighter and fun. You also have some blank pages out here. Whenever you want to write down some inspiration strikes you, you'll be able to note it down here. You have the 2025 holidays here, so that at any point in time, you can quickly open this. This is in the last page. You'll be able to quickly review the holiday list here. And there's also a cool feature called Word of the Day. In the beginning of each day, you have a space here. You can write down a word of the day if that excites you. We've given a bunch of inspiration list. Maybe you feel like on Wednesday, on the 3rd, you'll feel like faithful, or you feel like bold. So you can make a note of that. That can be your theme of the day. So this is the TinyChange 2025 Pro Life Planner. Thank you.